Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our next unit is unit number 4, food and diet. In this unit we can discuss why it is important to eat healthy food and why we need food. And we can also discuss the animals that we can divide it into different groups according to their eating habit. So the name of our unit is food and diet. So food mean anything that you eat and diet is a collection of food item that you eat every day. Now we can move to our first topic. Our first topic is why we need food. So there are the two main reasons that we need food. The first one is food gives us energy. The second is food also keep our body healthy. So these are the two main reasons that we need food. Food is like our petrol, it gives us more energy. And food also keep our body healthy. So it is very important to eat right food. Now move to the next page. On the next page, topic 4.2 is carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. These are the types of animals that we can divide it into according to their eating habits. Now the first one is carnivores. Carnivores are those animals that only eat meat. They can kill the other animals or they eat meat of animals that is killed by other. Here are the examples of carnivores. Now look at these two pictures. Eagles and hawks eat fish, small birds, small rodents, and small reptiles. Lions eat giraffe, gazelles, buffaloes, and other large animals. Now look at the next one is herbivores. Herbivores are those animals that only eat plant. The animals that only eat plant we called it herbivores. Because the plant provide less energy than meat, herbivores spend much more their time eating than carnivores. Now look at this picture. Here are the examples of two herbivores is cows and giraffe. The next is omnivore. Omnivore eat meat and plants. Here the example of omnivore. Look at this picture. It is hen and hen is the example of omnivore because chickens eat grains, eggshells, worm, just about any type of food. Now move to the next page. On the next page, what do you think most humans are carnivores, herbivores or omnivores? So the answer is that yes, most humans are omnivores because they eat both. They eat meat and vegetables. So humans are omnivore. Now look at this green box is hibernation. Most animals eat every day, but some animals hibernate, which means that they sleep throughout winter. Before they go to sleep, they have to eat a lot of the right food to stay alive and remain healthy. Now look at this question answers. The question number 1 is what are herbivores, omnivores and carnivores? So you can write the definition of these three types of animals. The second is do some research. Write down the name of first 10 animals that come into your mind. So you can write the name of any 10 animals and you can draw the 3 columns and select which one are carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. And you can write it on your registers. Now best of luck. Allah Hafiz.